Hi everyone, I am Murugan. My project title is Plant Info Access. Abstract. Plant Info Access automated updating of day-to-day market rate of agriculture plants. The development of new application is following: plant activities, family, binomial name, morphological character, flowering and fruit name, local name, locality, parts used, medicinal uses, and book reference. The crops and ecology of the group that grows in the particular region. Introduction. Plant info action application gives an idea to the farmers how to know the plant varieties. User will give new ideas to improve their productivity, and farmer can buy plant in market easily. If farmer have knowledge of computer, then farmer can directly use this mobile application in our mobile. Otherwise, contact company computer professional who will schedule classes to teach them basic of computers and internet. Farmers can now how to open website and register with it and sell it product online, etc. System requirements. Hardware requirements: processor Pentium IV, hard disk 40 GB, RAM 4 GB minimum, keyboard and nets 110K. Software requirements: operating system Windows 10, front end Arduino, coding language Java, Android, backend SQLite DB. Existing system. In the existing system, there is no clear information about the plant botanical information, and also there is no Android application for the plant info access. All type of data existing system like statics, that the mobile application is not built with backend as the databases. There will be not any videos and content picture representation in the existing application. Disadvantage of existing system: there is no such mobile application recording the plant informations. There will be not accurate information of the planets. No database are used in the existing mobile applications. Proposed system. The current system that is going to be built overcomes all the difficulties given above. The farmers are in direct contact with their consumer, so there is no need for any intermediate. At the reasonable price, the farmers will sell his product. Farmer would be able to know to whom is selling his product and vice versa for the consumer too. Advantage of proposed system: it is easy to access plant informations. We will all types of description like image, text and video. Modules: login registration module, plant family module, reference book module, ecology module. There are 4 modules are used in app. Plant info module, the plant family book guidance, ecology. The plant will be growth in dry land, wetland or others. The plant details will be feedback in application. Output: the reports are directly required by the management for taking decision and to draw conclusion. They must be designed with utmost care to the users. The option for the output and report are given in the system menu. When designing output, system analysis must accomplish the following: determine the information to present, arrange the present of information's acceptable format, determine how to distribute the output. Plant details: the plant details will be update for application. So click the plant name, the information will be displayed there. Conclusion: the project as described in details, the application developed for the easy or direct selling of commodities using this Android portal. I tried to solve all the major problems in the existing system. When all the suggestions forwarded in the software proposal have been successfully completed, this application used for both farmer and common users. This application is beneficial because it contains more information about the plants. Scope of the future: this application is beneficial because it contains more information about the plant. It also involves the crop season and its a place where it grows. This app is utilized for study purpose and it makes easy to learn instead of searching in books. This project has been developed keeping in mind all the given possible conditions to overcome the disadvantage of existing system.